What's up? My name is Kamal Akeel, and today I'm just going to make a quick video on how to take the badges off your car. I'm just doing it because I want to have a clean look in the back. I guess that's why most people do it. Not really sure. But anyways, what I'm going to use to do that is just a heat gun, and then I was actually going to try to use some dental floss to actually get this off. So basically we'll just heat up the badges here and here, and then use the dental floss to basically sever the connection from the adhesive to the actual trunk here. The only thing you might want to do before doing this is just look up to see if the badges themselves might have like little plastic dowels that hold it in place on the car, because some cars I think will actually have little holes to put the badge in to hold it in place along with the adhesive. So just make sure you are aware of that, because then when you take the badge off, you know, water can get in there and might cause a water leak or something. I don't think that these have those dowels, but I guess we'll see once I get them off. So this heat gun, I actually just got it from Harbor Freight. Anything from Harbor Freight's pretty cheap, so I wouldn't really worry about the price. And I mean, I've had it for a while, used it for a lot of things, and so it's been pretty reliable. So the first thing we're going to do is just this gun actually has two settings. It has a low setting and a high setting, so I'm just going to put it on the high. Just start heating up the badge in this area. You don't want to get too close, and you don't want to hold it in the same spot for too long, because it might cause the clear coat to start bubbling up. And then also, if you want to keep your badge, it might cause that to start bubbling up as well. So we'll just heat this up for a little bit, and then try to get it off using the dental floss. And this is the same way a lot of people will take off like old stickers that they've had on the car for a long time. Just getting that adhesive gluey stuff heated up really helps to take it off. Alright, so we got it heated up a good bit. So now just getting it up, get the dental floss under the edge there. It's kind of breaking apart, which kind of worried that would happen. Yeah, the dental floss is breaks apart pretty easily, especially with the heat. So now I just got a zip tie I'm using, and I do have a pry tool. Yeah, this badge definitely isn't gonna be usable again. Yeah, and those are the plastic dowels I was talking about, which go right there. So, got one off. Now we just got these over here. And then I don't, as you can see, I guess there used to be a CarMax sticker on here. I don't know if I'll be able to get that off. Doesn't really actually look like adhesive Almost looks like that's just from probably being exposed to the sun with the stickers on there. Kind of just got like that, but we'll see if I can get it off. So the dental floss did help me to get underneath the badge initially, but with it being hot and everything, it kind of just tore the dental floss apart. So using a zip tie to get under there and pull it off helped a little, and then also that plastic pry tool I have helped a lot as well. Yeah, these come off a lot easier. So now that I've got all the badges off, just need to get the adhesive off. So I just spent forever trying to find my plastic razor blades, but I couldn't find them. But I have this like rubber thing. I think this is for like spackling or something. So I'm just using that to try and get all the adhesive off. You could use a normal razor blade, but I guarantee you'll scratch your paint. It's kind of impossible not to. So I'm just going to try to get the majority of this stuff off. And then I have like a bug and tar remover that I'm going to try to use to get the rest of it off. And you can keep heating it up while you're doing this to make it easier for it to come off. Yeah, using a paper towel to kind of just roll the adhesive off kind of seems to be working the best. So you can see getting this stuff off was a kind of a pain, and there's still a good bit on there. So I'm gonna like spray it with like bug and tar remover, and we'll see if the rest of the scrap will come off. So now that I sprayed that on there, I'll just let that sit and soak in for a little bit, and then we'll try to see how it'll wipe the rest of that crud off of there. So let this soak in for a while. We'll see if this comes off easier now. So I just finished cleaning it up. I mean, this is what it looks like now. So it's a cleaner look in the back now. Just besides the fact that there's those 2 holes right there where the plastic dowel pin things on the badge go into. And then that CarMax logo thing. I tried my best to get it off, but I wasn't able to. Someone who details cars professionally might know of a way to do that, but the car's kind of messy, so it's not like I care too much. And then as far as the front badge, I was gonna leave that one on anyways, because it's it actually like goes down into the bumper, if you can see that. There's like a lip there. So if you took this one off, it'd look a little funny, because it'd be like it'd be obvious that there was an empty space there for where the badge goes. So I'll leave the one on the front, but as far as the rear, just wanted to take that off so it has a cleaner look, which it does. I like it, because this car is pretty messy anyways. There's a lot of things I gotta change, like this the seal here. The whole seal's gone on the top. It's like rolled under, so I'll have to fix that. And the car's got a bunch of dings and stuff anyways, so yeah, that's how I removed the badge. I'm sure there's a much better way to do it. And then also even just using paper towels to wipe that stuff off. Paper towels are pretty rough, so even they can leave just marks on the clear coat of your paint. So if you have a pretty immaculate Z, I would maybe do something different to get your badges off. But thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys later.